Millions of companies and entrepreneurs are registered daily all over the world. Every company creates thousands of data. They will use it for analyzing and use it for future decisions. So, what is this thing called, and how do they do that? Business intelligence. Business intelligence is a set of process, architectures, and technologies that convert raw data into meaningful information that drives profitable business actions. To dig in deeper, let's discuss what I and my team made. We implemented online analytical processing. This is the process. We get any data, filter it, put it in data warehouse, make a cube, and the first step is source. We get any type of data, Excel, database, flat file. We use the database of a bike store that has the tables product, brand, category, store, stocks, customer, staff, order, and order items. Now the second step is filter. It is combining and filtering the needed data. In our work, we only have a single file that is the database. But for the purpose of this demo, we integrated the data in SSIS and removed the unnecessary tables and attributes. After filtering all the data, we have now the single source of truth, or the so-called data warehouse. We now acquire the snowflake schema. We have two fact tables, which are the order and order items. The order has customer ID, store ID, and staff ID, which are from the dimension tables. The order items have order ID, which is a foreign key from the order table. We also have a product ID and their corresponding amount. Now that we have the single source of truth, we will make a cube with dimension, hierarchies, and measures. The cube has the dimensions, order items, products, orders, customer, staff, and store. The measures that we have is from the main fact table, order items. It has the measure of quantity, price, and amount. Now that we have already the cube, let us start querying. We will open the cube. Now click Browser. Now if you will click this, it will direct us to the Excel, and there we can analyze the data. Now we will have to enable this. These are the measures and these are the dimensions. Okay, let's click quantity, the measure of quantity. Now we will click the dimension, staff full name. There we can see the quantity sold according to the staff full name. Okay, now let's click the measure of amount. Now we will click the category name. It gives us the data of the amount sold according to the category. Okay, now what if we will click store name? There we have the data of the amount sold according to the categories and the store name. These are the categories and these are the store name. Okay, now we will click insert and let's make a chart. Now it gives us this data. We can see that mountain bikes sells the most and the store name that sells the most is the Baldwin bikes. Great, right? Now, what if we will click customer name? Let's have customer name. Now we will filter the data. We will click the top 10 by amount. Now it gives us the data of the top customers, the top 10 customers. These are the common queries of the cube. We can do a lot using the cube. Okay, this is the end of the demonstration. I hope you're having a good day. Thank you for watching.